This is my Daddio of the Patio bib or apron. I use this when I grill on my Blackstone because my Blackstone is a freaking mess and it gets stuff everywhere. I really like this one actually. It's really thick, got it for Father's Day. It's got nice pockets, and you can see here I keep in this one, I keep paper towels. In this one I always keep my CJRB knife, even though I always have a knife on me. And I have a middle pocket here. Pockets are big enough to hold things, you know, if you need them when you're walking out of the house. I like these. I never had pockets before, so this is really nice. You throw stuff in there. And yeah, you can see how long it is. Probably need to bring it up, but then if I bring it up too high, I notice is then I can't get it over my head, especially if I have a hat on. Usually on the weekends, I'm wearing a hat when I'm outside. So yeah, pretty neat. It's also, I didn't mention, it's kind of hard to come through here, but kind of like tablecloth material when you go to a restaurant. So it's thicker, basically. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Very durable. I don't really see any issues. Probably gonna have this thing forever until I wash it a million times and this wears off. Daddio the Patio.